Good morning, Nanima. Good morning, Munna dear. Nanima, I will wash my face with water and come back. Okay? Okay, Munna dear. Proceed. Have a wonderful day. I am back, Nanima. From morning to night, we continuously use water for different purposes. Water is so precious, Nanima. Yes, dear, yes. Nanima, I remember the poem written by Sri Prasad, translated from Hindi. Will you explain it to me, Nanima? Very sure, dear. Before that, let me introduce some terms, words related to water used in the poem so that you can understand it better. After that, we'll meet Mr. Raindrop and finally I will explain the poem to you. Okay? Okay, Nanima, I'm really so happy. Water is present almost everywhere. Observe the earth's globe. That most of the area is blue in color, indicating the presence of water. About 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Water is present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ice caps, as groundwater and in the atmosphere. Water exists in different forms. On the earth's surface, there are three different forms of water, namely solid, liquid and gaseous. Water exists in different forms due to the variation in climatic conditions. Water is a very important resource as it is used for drinking, cleaning, cooking, etc. Yes, water should be preserved and carefully used as it is required for the survival of life. Do you know that water is being continuously used and water conservation is the major concern in the present scenario? The water circulated in water cycle takes three different forms: solid, liquid and gaseous. The solid form of water, ice, is found at the poles of the earth, the snow-covered mountains and glaciers. The liquid form is present in the rivers, lakes, seas and oceans. The gaseous form of water, water vapor, is present all around us in the atmosphere. The water on the earth evaporates to form water vapor. This forms clouds as it goes up. Clouds bring rain and water comes down to the earth again. This is called the water cycle. In this water cycle, you can see all three forms of water. The water cycle has helped in maintaining water on the surface of the earth for millions of years on earth. Water is transparent, tasteless, shapeless, odorless, nearly colorless. Water can occur in three states, three forms: solid, liquid or gas. Water, when freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, water changes into ice. Ice is frozen water. If you keep a glass of water in the refrigerator under 0 degrees Celsius, the water will change into ice. Examples of solid water are ice, snow and frost, etc. Ice floats in water. Ice takes the shape of the container. Ice, water that has frozen and become solid or pieces like this. Snow, small, soft, white pieces of ice that sometimes fall from the sky. Here you can see the frost on the leaves. Glacier, a large mass of ice that moves slowly. Hail, small hard balls of ice that fall from the sky like rain. Liquid water is found in many places. You see liquid water when it rains, running in a river. Liquid water is wet and fluid. This is the form of water with which we are most familiar. We use liquid water in many ways, including washing, cleaning, bathing and drinking, etc. Liquids always take the shape of the container. Liquid can freely move among themselves. Liquid that is not solid or a gas and that can be poured very easily. Rain, drops of water from clouds. Drizzle, rain lightly. Water droplets, water falling in drops. Puddle is a small accumulation of liquid, usually water. Pond, a small body of still water formed naturally or by artificial means. Lake, a large area of water surrounded by land. River, a large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea or a lake or another river. Stream is a body of water with surface water flowing within the bed and banks of a channel. Waterfalls water falling from a height. Ocean, a very vast, a very large expanse of water, a huge water place. Sea, a large area of salty water but smaller than an ocean, that is partly or completely surrounded by land. Dew, tiny drop of water. Water is vaporized when it is boiled on the stove to cook anything, any food items. Water as a gas, as a vapor, is always present in the air around us. You cannot see it. When you boil water, the water changes from a liquid to a gas or water vapor. Water can evaporate or disappear with the help of heat. Changes in temperature can increase the rate of how long it takes water to evaporate. Evaporate means to disappear. Water can evaporate from soil. It evaporates off from wet clothes hanging on a clothesline. Plants release water vapor into the air. We breathe out water vapor. Fog, small drops of water come together to form a thick cloud, making it difficult to see. You can see fog on mountains. Mist, thin fog produced by very small drops of water collecting in the air just above an area of ground or water. Clouds, snow and rain are all made of some form of water. A cloud is comprised of many tiny water droplets or ice crystals. A snowflake is an aggregate of many ice crystals, and rain is just liquid water. The cloud of steam is a mini version of the clouds we see in the sky. Steam is formed at 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling of water in 100 degrees Celsius. Yes, flood is a large amount of overflowing of water covering an area that is usually dry.